Welcome to Keynema. In this first tutorial, we'll explore the main aspects of the basic interface. The first time you open the app, you'll see you can choose between production design and character creator. This depends on whether your work is more focused on scenes and sets or on characters. But don't worry, you can switch modes at any time, even mid-project. You can also choose to approach your project from both modes interchangeably, depending on your needs. When we open the app, we land on the home screen. This is where our saved projects will appear. But as we can see, the list is currently empty. At the top, we have the Options bar, which includes several important menus. The main one lets us check which version of the program we're using, access services, or uninstall the program if needed. In Application, we can choose at any time whether to view our project from the Production Design or Character Creator mode, depending on which model best suits our department's needs. Under File, we can close the project, select the interface language. These languages will grow as Keynema evolves. Import a project from someone else, or one we saved for backup, and clear the cache and restart in case our computer is running low on memory. In the Edit window, you'll find the usual editing tools. In the View window, we can choose how default results are displayed, by script order, by shooting dates, if we've entered them, or in alphanumeric order. We can also show or hide the chapter prefix if we're working on a series, depending on how the project is numbered. There's also a window menu with tools to adjust how we view the interface. In particular, we'll often use zoom in and zoom out. And finally, there's a help window where we can ask questions. A quick tip, if you hover the cursor over any button, it'll show what it does. From the main screen or desktop, which we access by clicking the star icon where it says General Menu, we can manage all the projects created or imported in Keynema. Once we've created a project, we'll see it listed here. But for now, let's imagine we've already imported a script or a project, either automatically or manually, so we can keep exploring the general layout of our interface. Each project is listed in its own bar, showing its title, project type, and associated dates when we click to open it. To open a project, we simply click the button. And once it's open, clicking it again will close it. On the left-hand side, we'll see the phases of our project appear. If we're in production design mode, the phases shown will be Outlist, Breakdown, Searches, Calendar, Budget, Reports, and Shooting. If we're in Character Creator mode, we'll see Outlist, Performers, Breakdown, Search, Calendar, and Budget. We'll dive deeper into each of these tools in future tutorials for both modes. For now, let's focus on editing the basic information of any project. At the top, we see the project title and the dates we'll be working. Next to that, there's a small wrench icon. Clicking it opens the project details, where we can upload a new version of the script if it has changed, enter the director's name, add our department head, specify the company or person who created the document, write notes, or even delete the project if we no longer need it. Once we hit save, this information will appear every time we open the project. There's also an export button. Clicking it opens a pop-up where we can select what parts of the project we want to share with teammates or other departments. For instance, we might choose to export the outlist, the breakdown, and the calendar, but skip the budget and still include the reports and shooting pages. Exporting your projects is always a good idea for collaboration and to create backups. And that's it for this tutorial. We explored the main interface of Keynema. We learned how to navigate the options bar and menus. We saw where saved projects will appear and how to open or close them. We looked at the project structure in both production design and character creator modes. And we learned how to edit basic project info and export selected sections when needed. What's next? In the next tutorials, we'll learn how to start a project automatically using AI and also how to build one manually from scratch. See you in the next video.